Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ilmanadu. Today's topic is one word substitution part 5. Words used for various kinds of killings and manias. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. The killing of one's husband. Mariticide. The killing of one's wife. Uxoricide. The killing of parents. Parricide. The killing of a whole race. Genocide. The killing of a newborn child. Infanticide. Killing of a king. Regicide. Killing of a human being. Homicide. Killing of oneself. Suicide. Killing of a father. Patricide. Killing of a mother. Matricide. Killing of one's brother. Fratricide. The killing of one's sister. Sororicide. Morbid compulsion to keep on consuming alcohol. Dipsomania. Morbid compulsion to steal. Kleptomania. Morbid compulsion to steal books. Bibliokleptomania. Morbid compulsion to start a fire. Pyromania. Morbid delusion of power, importance or godliness. Megalomania. Morbid uncontrollable desire on the part of a woman. Nymphomania. morbid, uncontrollable desire on the part of man. Satyromania. Person with one-track mind. Monomania. Compulsion to tell lies. Mythomania. Madness with obsession with something. Mania. We have learned today these words used for various kinds of killings and manias. Mariticide, parricide, genocide, infanticide, regicide, homicide, suicide, patricide, matricide, fratricide, sorocide, uxoricide, dipsomania, kleptomania, bibliocleptomania, pyromania, megalomania, nymphomania, satyromania, monomania, mythomania, and mania. This is the part 5 video. Browse other parts from the end screen. Thank you.